This stunning container home, built by Relevant Buildings based in Oregon, was built entirely out of recycled shipping containers. The home is beautifully finished inside and out using two 20-foot shipping containers and one 40-foot container. Two containers are placed side by side and stitched together to accommodate an open living space, while the third container is connected to the two perpendicularly to accommodate the bedrooms, the bathroom, and the laundry space. A glass door with a white frame which offers access to an open-plan living space. The kitchen, the dining area, and the lounge are all part of the open floor plan design. A large open-plan living area is created by cutting out the inner container walls. To further blend the indoor and the outdoor spaces, the lounge area features a sizable recessed area with a huge glass window. The living area has a huge TV mounted on the wall for your entertainment. There is a handmade TV stand and cozy sofas for lounging. Adjacent to the lounge area is a bright kitchen with plenty of natural light, stainless steel appliances, a unique kitchen island with seating, and gorgeous cabinetry. Next to the kitchen is an elegant round dining table that can seat 4. The dining room is fitted with floor-to-ceiling glass sliding door that opens onto a small patio space. The glass doors also offer a better opportunity to ventilate and increase the perceived space of the container house by creating a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. The hardwood flooring throughout the house gives the interior a sleek, contemporary look. The passage of the kitchen area leads to the private section of the house. A well-crafted wood barn door opens into a laundry alcove with a stacked washer and dryer. Another barn door opens into a spa-like bathroom featuring a fully tiled shower stall, a toilet, a vanity with enough storage cabinets, and a wall-mounted bathroom mirror. On the opposite ends of the bathroom are two bedrooms of the house. The first bedroom has a custom-designed closet, a queen bed, a glass window that ventilates the space, and ample storage. The second bedroom has a king-size bed, a closet space, and good-sized window for ample daylighting and cross-ventilation. Both bedrooms have pull-out bay sections to increase indoor space. The interior walls are painted light to make the spaces look bigger and brighter, removing that illusion of living inside shipping containers. The wooden ceiling beams are framed out with timber and left exposed to create a warm and rustic ambience in the house. The interior of the container is framed, insulated, and lined with plasterboard, and none of the corrugated container look that dominates the exterior is evident anywhere on the inside. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior, emphasizing the industrial charm of the house. This amazing house has got large outdoor spaces, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. This amazing house is listed as a guest house. Feel free to check it out using the links in the description below. If you love shipping container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.